Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I am Momo from the Tax Universe, your tax buddy here to make taxes simple, exciting, and easy to understand. Here is a quick question. Can you start a church for atheists and get all the juicy tax benefits that come with it? One group in Canada thought, why not? Well, let's just say it didn't go as planned. And that's how we ended up with the case of the Church of Atheism of Central Canada v. Canada. Spoiler alert, believing in nothing is harder to claim on your taxes than you think. But let's get into today's tax story. This happened in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, back in 2014. The Church of Atheism of Central Canada applied to the Canada Tax Office to be registered as a charity. Their request? Register as a charity for the advancement of religion. Why? Because in Canada, recognized religions can get special tax treatment, exemption from paying tax, and the ability to issue donation receipts. That's a big deal for fundraising. But here's the twist. Their religion was atheism, a belief system defined by not believing in God. The Canada Tax Office looked at the application and basically said, sorry, but no deal. Why? Because courts in Canada usually say religion involves faith in a higher power or deity, sacred texts or organized doctrine, a community built around spiritual practices. Atheism, while definitely a worldview, doesn't check those boxes, so the application was rejected. The church wasn't happy. They appealed all the way to the Federal Court of Appeal in 2019. Their argument was simple. Atheism is a belief system about life and existence. If belief in a God qualifies, why not belief in no God? Sounds reasonable, right? The court didn't buy it. The judges agreed atheism is a worldview, but said the church failed to show it had the core features of a religion. No deity, no structured religious practices, no sacred writings. The just calling it a church wasn't enough. So the final verdict from the court is, it does not qualify as a charity for tax purposes. Hence, no tax-free status. Here's the technical part. Under the Income Tax Act of Canada, charities can be registered for 4 purposes, one of which is the advancement of religion. But religion, legally, means faith, worship, and community around the sacred. Since atheism is, by definition, the absence of those, it didn't qualify. Think about it this way. You can't just register the First United Church of Netflix binge-watching and expect a tax break, or the Sacred Order of Pineapple Pizza. Well, you can try. Well, don't expect the tax office to be on your side. The message is clear. Canada's tax law doesn't give you a break for believing in nothing, literally. So is atheism a religion in Canadian tax law? Nope. The court said you need more than a lack of belief to get tax-free status. But what do you think? Should atheism count as a religion for tax purposes? Or does that go too far? Let me know in the comments. And stay tuned. In our next video, we'll explore a once heated debate in the United Kingdom surrounding the tampon tax. Is it fair to charge sales tax on feminine products and, in effect, place a burden on women? You won't want to miss that story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for another interesting tax story.